just going to have a look at some of the design features and manufacturing features that we've done on our own caliper. These are completely designed in-house, CAD, CAM, and then machined in-house as well. We've took a few little design inspirations from some other calipers and that to make our own product. I thought we'd just have a run through, show you some of the features. So for a start on the caliper, we've done really nice contouring to get the nice shape over, so you're actually creating a bridge. This gives you more rigidity in the caliper. The more rigidity you've got, the more brake feel, the less deflection, so the better the braking is going to be and the more control you've got. So that's one quite big element to it. We've also done, on the bolts that actually hold the two halves together, we've actually gone past centre line of the piston. This also aids in the rigidity by stopping the caliper wanting to peel, again increasing the feel. As well as that, there's some location dowel pins that just go in, which add a bit more rigidity. We've got really nice long bolts, so there's plenty of stretch in the bolts, so they're actually designed correctly to allow for the thermal expansion, yet retaining the stretch in the bolt. Also the pad retainer goes across, and that also again aids the rigidity and just holds the centre of the caliper together. We're then using stainless steel guides on all the pads. It's all stainless steel bleed nipples, link pipes for all the hardware that goes onto it. K-nuts, so there's no nylock there, it's a proper K-nut. The caliper has a 10x1 thread, and it's a banjo fitting on there onto the body of your car. Pistons are 7075 aircraft grade, hard anodised, and the PTFE coating, which again just aids the movement of the piston. We've also spent quite a lot of time developing the grooves on the seals, so when you lift off the brake, it actually sucks the pistons back a lot quicker than normal, which stops the pad dragging and gives you a little bit more corner speed. All these little features don't have a massive difference individually, but they add up to make a big difference on the car. So it's giving a real high-end design quality product to complement your car. These then can be fitted as a standalone to a lug mount to go on a Ford hub or a Mazda hub, or will fit directly onto the billet GBS upright that we've done for the new Zero, which we'll have a look at on another video separate to this. Any questions on the parts and that, please give one of the team a call, and hope you like them. Thank you.